I am on the way to Hogenakal. I took diversion from National Highway 44. Now I am just, I have just entered the forest area of Hogenakal. So this is the road that is taking me to Hogenakal. So scenic it is. So beautiful. Beautiful. So this is just an entrance that I have just entered the forest area of Hogenakal. I paid entrance fees including parking. So I think I made a good decision to come out today. So beautiful it is. Beautiful stretch. The roads are excellent. Very good roads. Still about 10 kilometers. Yes. I don't know now. Should I stop video or shall I continue? It will be a long stretch. Let me see. Curved roads, but road surface is very good. Very good, very good. Beautiful valleys. Excellent. Oh, it's a breathtaking view. Beautiful indeed. Beautiful. Curved roads. Road is so good. So good. Beautiful mountain range. Beautiful mountain range. We had come earlier, but I do not remember all this. Or we must have reached that place from some other route. I don't know. But this is really good. So beautiful it is. Excellent valley stretch. Oh, great. Road curves are there, but it is so safe and so good road. So good road. I thought of stopping the video. Now I didn't know this is a road like this. Now I cannot stop my video. I have to record all this. This is a State Highway 60, I think it was there. Monkeys sitting everywhere along the roadside. So Hogenakal is about 8, yes, State Highway 60. 8 kilometers from here still to go. I think I came down almost. It is still there. Oh. Beautiful valley. Beautiful valley. Hogenakal. I can call myself solo traveler. Beautiful. And it's really a good time to come like this. It's so green out around. There are signboards of elephants and some wild animals. Cheetah, I think it was. Beautiful. Yeah, I think I'll stop here. Yeah, there is again a good stretch. That's why I switched on my camera. So it is about another 5 minutes. I will be reaching there. There are signboards of elephant crossing. Yeah. Maybe early in the morning or late in the evening time they may cross. But however, cattle are here on the road. Loved it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful stretch to Hogenekel. Good place to hang around. Main falls is just behind those trees and thing. These boat people are taking you to the falls. They are asking 750 per coracle. 4 people can go in this. Since I do not have a group of people, I cannot go. Otherwise 4 people would have gone. You see this. It's a good place to see. Hogenekel Falls. Water is there, but falls is closed for the public. We are not allowed to go. But however, these coracle people are taking it. They say this is a government-run coracle for 4 people. 1 coracle. 4 people can travel in this. 750 per coracle. I didn't actually plan to come here. I just came out on Hosur Road. This was so good. I would have enjoyed taking bath here, but I do not have clothes to play in the water. And I think at the main entrance they say that it is not allowed backside of the water. We can come and play here. However, this is a good place and safe place. Also, people can just come and play in the water. So good. People can play here. I will cut it. I will censor it. Don't worry, it will be censored. Beautiful.
That is okay. Avurda enjoy பண்றாரு.
Oh, this is a beautiful view. This is a Kaveri river flowing from Karnataka to Tamil Nadu, Hogenekel. This is Hogenekel and full of water. This is really good. Really, really good. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful mountain range. So beautiful. See, so many birds are sitting there on the top of the tree. Birds are sitting, birds are flying. This is Hogeneckal. Kaveri River. Beautiful range. The birds are sitting here. Beautiful. Kaveri River is flowing full. That fall sound I can hear, it is maybe somewhere that side. Beautiful indeed. No need to go to that dam, that city area. This is backside of that Hogeneckal Biligundlu road. I just came here and I saw this spot, so beautiful. So I can walk down right up to the water here. We can come and have a very good picnic here. Beautiful, so good, so nice. I really made it a day. Wonderful Kaveri River basin. So beautiful. See, now some people are doing a picnic there. I parked my vehicle there and came up. So beautiful. Oh. What a beauty, what a beauty. What a beauty is this. Beautiful surrounding. See, surrounded by mountains. I'm so excited. Great. I think I made it a day. Beautiful. Kaveri River Basin besides Hogeneckal on the way to Biligundlu. Biligundlu is just about 10 kilometers from here. I just stopped here because I was looking at the map and my road was going adjacent to the river, and I thought, okay, I will just make it go down and see this. Beautiful indeed. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. God, I thank you for all this wonderful and great thing that you have done. Thank you. I am on the road to Biligundlu from Hogeneckal. So all along the way, this adjacent to this road, Kaveri River flows. So I got down there to see this so beautiful place, and anybody can come here and do a day picnic. Wonderful place it is. No need to go into that city, Hogeneckal spot where they call it as a spot. Actually, this is really enjoyable. So good, and road is so good. Single road, but still it is so safe and good road, and it's completely forest area. I don't think there is any problem there because many people over there on the river bank. See, we can see the river on my left. This road is running all along the river bank. Beautiful. I really think of stopping again and again to see this wonderful nature. God is so good. He has done all these things for us. Praise God, my Lord. On my left, the river is flowing down there. Because I saw the glimpse of water, and then I got down and went down to see. After this bushes and all, there is a river. Beautiful. This is Biligundlu boating place. From here, these coracles will take you on the other side where you can go and spend your time there. This is also a beautiful spot. My goodness. Excellent spot. And people can come and enjoy here for a day picnic. And boats will take you to the other side there. And people can go there and have their lunch or whatever that they want to do there. And people can take bath nearby, not in the deep waters. Nearby water they can take. This is a Kaveri river, right? Flows between Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Other side of this is called Karnataka and this side it is Tamil Nadu. So Biligundlu is another place, just about 10 kilometers from Hogenakkal. We can cover both these spots. So nice. Full of mountains. Oh, beautiful spot indeed. Biligundlu. So people can go take a boat ride and go on the other side and have their lunch, and people can take bath and they will bring you back. Otherwise people can have even their own party here. A good place around here. So this place is full of mountains, surrounded by mountains, Kaveri River Basin. Now these clouds are sitting on the mountains. Beautiful. Clouds sitting on the mountain. Beautiful.